Today, we're diving into practice questions designed to sharpen your skills for the GCC typing exam. These important multiple-choice questions will help you focus on key concepts and prepare effectively. Let's get started and build confidence one question at a time. Let's start with the ALU. That's short for Arithmetic Logic Unit. It's the part of a computer that does the heavy lifting when it comes to calculations and decision-making. Whether it's adding numbers or comparing values, the ALU handles all those arithmetic and logical operations that keep everything running smoothly. It's like the brain's calculator and judge rolled into one. Let's talk about HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the fundamental building block of the web. Whenever you visit a website, HTML is what structures the content you see, from headings and paragraphs to images and links. Think of it as the skeleton of a web page, giving everything its place and meaning. Without HTML, the web as we know it wouldn't exist. Next, let's look at the footer. This is the section that appears at the very bottom of every page. It's a consistent spot for important information, like contact details, copyright notices, or navigation links. The footer helps tie the whole page together and gives users a reliable place to find key details no matter where they are. It's simple, but essential. Let's talk about how programs usually get started. Most of the time, we open them from the Start menu. It's that familiar spot where all your applications live, ready to launch. Whether you're looking for a browser, a game, or a tool, the Start menu is often the first place you go. It's simple, quick, and keeps everything organized in one central hub. Let's talk about function keys, those handy shortcuts at the top of your keyboard. F1 usually opens Help, giving you quick access to support or instructions. F2 lets you rename or edit files without extra clicks. F5 is your refresh button, updating what you see instantly. And F11 often switches to full screen, depending on the app you're using. These keys save time and keep your workflow smooth. Let's look at some basic Excel formulas that make calculations simple and fast. For example, sum adds up all the numbers in a range, like from A1 to A10. Average finds the mean value in that same range, and max tells you the highest number. These formulas are the building blocks for working with data in Excel, easy to learn, and incredibly powerful once you get the hang of them. Now, let's talk about making text lowercase. Unlike some shortcuts, Ctrl-Shift-K isn't a standard command for this. Instead, in Word, you use the lowercase option to convert all your selected text into small letters. It's a simple but handy way to quickly change the case without retyping anything. This keeps your workflow smooth and saves time when you need consistent formatting. Now, let's talk about the workbook. It's where all your worksheets live, the heart of your project. Whenever you make changes, don't forget to hit Ctrl+S to save your work. It's a simple step, but it keeps everything safe and up to date. Think of the workbook as your workspace, constantly evolving as you build and refine your ideas. Let's talk about watermarks. A watermark is a faint image or text placed behind the main content of a document. It's subtle so it doesn't distract, but it's always there, like a quiet signature or a mark of authenticity. Watermarks help protect documents, signal ownership, or indicate status, like confidential or draft. They're a simple way to add an extra layer of meaning without getting in the way of what really matters. Now, let's talk about SMTP. It stands for Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. This is the basic set of rules that lets us send emails across the internet. Whenever you hit send on a message, SMTP is working behind the scenes, making sure it gets from your device to the recipient's mail server. It's a fundamental part of how email communication happens, quietly connecting us all through digital mail. Let's wrap up with a quick look at keys. Control and Alt are modifier keys. They don't do much alone, but combined with others, they unlock shortcuts. Like Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste, or Alt+Tab to switch between windows. These combos save time and keep us moving fast. This video was created with SlideSpeak. Visit SlideSpeak to turn your presentations into engaging AI-narrated videos.